Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kiki Clayton. I just want to say welcome new subscribers. What's up? I've been seeing us rising. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I'm going to introduce myself to you guys. I'm Kiki and I sell hair. That's like my hustle. That's like my everyday life. I do that every fucking day. Sell clothes, like I'm a whole CEO out here in the streets. Like blank blank period. It's a process with being an entrepreneur. If you want to be one, come on, join the team. Like we all about empowering each other and lifting each other up instead of tearing each other down. So right now I'm ready to get ready with me because it's Friday and your girl is not trying to be looking all blah on Friday. I will be going with the Maybelline Fit Me Brow Ultra Slim, and it's my first time trying it. I usually just use like the Anastasia like dip brow stuff, but I'm gonna use this today. So I have to put my contacts in now, but I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fine Honey. I like it because it's really natural looking. It goes perfect with my skin tone. Like I don't like when my concealer is really bright. Let me say that. I let my concealer like set on my face first, like for a little bit, because it gives you like better results. It's like nothing in your skin when you blend it. Oh, it's over. I'm finna use the Equate Beauty Makeup Brush Total Face Kit, and they have like brushes in here. I'm ready to try them out. So the one I'm gonna use to blend for is this brush right here for my eyebrows. Blend my brows first, and then I'm gonna go back and blend the rest of my concealer out. Already blend. get onto this brush because I just feel like it's a little dry. I can feel it.
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree?